And it's installed. Now put everything back together. Look at it. La da da da.
LaFleur, bitch. Niggas acting funny, niggas changing.
How you doing, people? I don't know. My fan is here for my laptop.
Talia, giant rookie.
Let's get the email notification. It says delivered. We're gonna fix this computer here, this laptop I have. I ordered a fan. Go see if it's here. I don't know. Doubt it. Let's go check. Go outside and look. Right there. Good? Yep. Did. Here it is. The fan. The fan for the computer. Alright. Upstairs now. Finish cleaning my room, then put the table down, and I'm gonna open the laptop. Hopefully this should be the right one. Yeah. This should be the right fan for the computer. The laptop. With the laptop. Because I just need a new fan. Yeah, finish up and then we're gonna fix the laptop. Fix the laptop in a second. Put the new fan. You can change it. So we're gonna change the fan on this laptop. Finally got it. But I'm doing some screwing it, so I'll catch you when I'm done unscrewing all of the screws. The screws are out, so let me open this bad boy out. Oh snap! More fell. Nah, it's not gonna stay still. Shit, I can't do this one here.
How is that car not on
Alright,
fire?
now we're gonna put this down and we're gonna unbox the fan. Right here. Oh snap. Okay, there we go. It's better.
Yeah, this.
We have it here. I have a knife somewhere. I don't
The
know.
World Crialis.
Oh, there we go. The knife. Sorry, guys, just getting making so much noise. Alright, we're gonna open this bad boy up. The paper, then we're gonna bring that, this is what we need. Wrapped up nicely. It's our new laptop fan.
I mean,
But
this thing is.
Let's go install it. Ta-da. So first I gotta remove the old one from here that I have.
Ow,
So
I heard
let
it.
me go do that real quick. The old one out. This is the fan parts. So yeah, let's put this aside.
Nobody ever escaped.
Put this back up here, and let's open the new one. Parts. It came with a new thing, a new fan. We'll hook it up. So yeah, hook it up. See if I can get
Where's
it.
my clothes?
See me hooking it. Alright, that's
Oh, dare you?
decent. Not great if you don't have a tripod.
My clothes.
So we're gonna place the fan where it has to go. If I know how it goes. Goes somewhere.
Why is everybody crying?
Or it goes like this.
Jason, what? Do you know why everybody's crying?
Yeah.
Why?
What you doing?
Yeah, they're not even crying. I'm happy. You're good at fire.
I don't remember how it goes.
Oh, I love fog in the air. Fire in the air. Fire in the air. Size 9.
And it's installed. Now put everything back together. Look at it. La da da da. Hopefully the charger works. Alright, so put this fan back together and let's see if we get any magic. Oh, yeah. So yeah, I got the fan in, but I don't think the charger's the right one. So he's not turning on. I need to get the right charger. I don't know where I'm gonna get it from, but somewhere. Like this, be like this. Somebody should have told me it would be like this. Segment of Charlie's Reaction, where I play sounds from YouTube that are dog stuff, and let's see if he likes them. Let's begin. Okay, you saw his reaction. The next one is doorbell. I was totally squeaky. Next is doorbell. Someone's at the door. Go check, boy. Someone's at the door. Okay, no, there's nobody there, Charlie. No, no one there, Charlie. There's no one there. There. My brother's mic just came. It looks pretty nice. I'm gonna get one in the future. Get myself one. Looks pretty dope. But Christmas is still in effect. Once I get on my Christmas shopping, I can start thinking about other stuff. Once Christmas is still in effect, I cannot think about stuff. For me, I could say to look, but I can't buy it. Anything to stick it. I haven't got anything. But Wish sell a microphone. They did, but their shipping is ridiculous. The prices are good, but the shipping is ridiculous on some items. Be like, oh, thank you. It makes you not want to pay for things. They charge shipping and it goes up too much. Like, price was good, but the shipping is. I need to find a charger for this laptop. I replaced the fan. But the charger is no good. And they don't have one. And the person who gave me it never gave me the right charger. Maybe next time I see them. I was talking to Ben more about it. But I need a charger. But charger, to buy the original one, it's expensive. It's expensive. And I ain't got that type of money to spend on a charger. And I don't know any other way to charge it as without using the computer's charger. This is the mic. It's called the studio mic. Don't worry. I'll turn my room to a studio. Which sells those studio foamy thingies, those circle thingies that you stick. I'll get one of those. And they also sell those which sells those foam blocking thingies. I'll put those around it. Get some good sound. Some good shit going on in there. You know what I mean? Gonna be fire.
This is a mic now. You could be as clear as I was.
Steven's give me. I'll use this. And yeah, that's. Oh yeah, and I'll go buy one of those D-pads. Those ones you push. They're like $45 on Amazon or more. Those buttons, those D-pads that you make beats with. Yeah, I'll got one of those in the future. And hopefully we can make some litty sounds. I can make some beats out here. And I can have Steven's friends freestyling out here. And everybody who comes in the house freestyling out here. And just create a mixtape of me. Them on it. You know what I mean? It's called Progress of Work. Comes in a box. We'll go Amazon box. So yeah. Let's see what the box is in the back. This box has no instructions. Just put the branding everywhere. Yeah, okay. That's sick. Da, da, da. Connect the phantom power to the microphone switch. Phantom switch.
Yo, I need a freaking mount.
Yeah, you're gonna have to find one. Or get one online or something. Just need a mount. Or a tripod mount. Probably choose that sucker too.
Let me use your tripod mount.
I don't have a tripod mount.
What happened to the ones you had?
Those are not mounts.
Let me see what you got.
I don't have
We got tripod mounts in school, but they're fucking big.
Yeah.
We have little ones too.
I have tripod mounts. You need a mount that could stand. I think tripod mounts. Or just get a microphone mount. It'll be more secure. At least you know it will work. Hey? What you doing? What are you doing, huh? Huh? I couldn't fool with your head. How you like my doorbell? That's why you search on YouTube. Sounds dog loves. Guess you love the doorbell noise. You came up with me all the way up here. What the hell are you doing? Why are you next to me? Why you try to get comfortable? You critted me. Okay, fine.
Hello?
I don't know.
Hello? Hello?
Gotta, I don't know. Gotta YouTube this. This mic is incredible. I like it. You already know. Gotta get one. How can you see? So yeah, I will show you a playback. Let me play this sucker back. I like it. I'm gonna need to get one. I had to get one. This is a go-go. As Tossy Carter said, this is a win. Tossy Carter would say, this is a major win. Right here is a major win. Whoa. Yeah. Let's block this for the camera. Yeah. Oh, it's already on. Yo, vlog. This mic is incredible. I like it. You already know. Gotta get one. How can you see? So right way outside.
Wanna ask
with
her?
chili.
Wanna see it?
I doubt it. I'll hold it. When you inside and ask. Hello, Charlie. I don't think they have sound cards up in there, but worth a try. No. Computers. Oh yeah, I'm going to the. Don't be scared. It's not me. Alright, we're gonna go to that grocery store right there. Pretty sure they have it, but I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure I ain't gonna be shooting.
You got shit in that store.
They got the simple essentials. So
They got like a mouse and a keyboard and wires.
and speakers. The computer speakers, not the fancy
Yo,
ones.
you don't see the cars coming?
Yo, boy, you a savage. You gonna get yourself run over? Hell no. So we're gonna go check. And we don't even know where to go after that. Not that nice. It is a computer package. So yeah. Yeah, you a savage. Yeah. There's one that looks basic. Oh snap, I was recording. Chill, Charlie. You can't find no Nick card. Finding it. Charlie. Chill. Too bad, man. But yeah, I just got to buy it online. You get it. But if you order it tonight, it's gonna get here. Yeah, it can get here Monday. Amazon can ship now on Sundays. I don't know when it'll get here for 2 days. Probably get here by Sunday. If you order this morning. Yeah, Looking through there, I found this. It's a USB splitter. So I need it for the front. This is great. It works. Yes. It works. Yes, yes, yes. In the bathroom. You already know. Yeah. Fire. Christmas. That movie that has fly in it. I'm afraid nothing's gonna happen. Probably just a normal movie. Huh? Oh, you missed it. Almost Christmas. Yeah. Booyah. Finished watching the movie. Was good. I enjoyed it. As you can see, it's over. Bam. Yeah, look. Kendall Jenner. Ooh la la. Just had this on all night. So yeah, I'm gonna say thank y'all for watching the vlog. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else. Besides that, it's already 10:30, almost 11, and my phone died. I don't think I'm doing anything else. So see ya tomorrow.